Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Asian groceries delivered to your house. Now, this is something that I've been doing for about 2 years now. My mom put me onto this, and I'll tell you guys, not only are getting groceries delivered to your house amazing, but getting like really authentic and well-priced groceries that are Asian, that's even better. So the app that I use to order groceries is called Weee. I'll actually have a link down below. If you guys use that link, you'll get, I think, $20 of free credit to spend. Let me show you guys what the app looks like and like what you can get on the app. So this is what it looks like. So if I come here, I can basically choose what address I want to deliver to. I can choose which day I want it delivered as well. So if you come up here and click on the Weee logo, you guys can see, you can select what store you want to shop from. So not only can you buy things that are like Chinese, there's Japanese, there's Korean, Vietnamese, Filipino, Indian, or there's Explorer, which means you can buy a mix of everything. So I am Chinese and I love buying Chinese groceries. So I have it selected on that. Let me show you guys what kinds of things you guys can buy and sort of like the pricing. So I found that Weee is actually really well priced. It's maybe a tiny bit more than going to 99 Ranch or an actual Asian grocery store. But for me, the convenience of not having to go there, having to drive there, get all the groceries, come back, it is super worth it. As you guys can see, here are some examples of things you guys can get. So bestsellers, we'll click see all. They have these different categories that you can sort by, but bestsellers, it's always an interesting one. As you guys can see, 2 pounds of sliced spare ribs frozen for $6.99. That's a really good price. They basically have everything that you guys can ever want. And I think almost everything that you guys can get at the Asian grocery store, they have it here. You guys can see 1 pound of frozen beef that's rolled up. This is perfect for hot pot and things like that. This is one that I get a lot. Really good price, really cheap compared to a lot of other stores. Snacks, they have, pears, meats, they have frozen stuff. They have these lamb skewers. I haven't tried that out yet, but that looks pretty cool. They have noodles, they have dumplings, fruits, pretty much everything, right? As you guys can see, I have an order coming in about 30 minutes. This allows me to actually track in real time where that order is. So you guys can see they are 3 stops away and it's arriving in about half an hour. So I'm here in my buy again list just to show you guys what I like to buy on here. I really like buying vegetables because the prices are really good. You can see you can get 2 pounds of bok choy for $3. Mushrooms, you got more vegetables. Eggs are a pretty good price as well. Tofu, we got the sliced beef stuff. We have hot pot broth, soup base. We got some of the real Chinese stuff over here. We got snacks like these rice crackers, which are really good. We have frozen fish balls. We have shallots. We have clams, ginger, Chinese sausage, miso. This app is super clutch. Let me show you guys what they have for some of the other stores. So for example, Japanese. So these are gonna be more Japanese foods. Let's come here to bestsellers. So there definitely is some overlap, but everything here is gonna be more focused on Japanese food. They have karaage, which is pretty cool. Curry mixes, kewpie mayonnaise. So let's say I'm going back here and I'm gonna actually order something to show you guys what it looks like. Let's say I wanna get these. I wanna get some tangerines. I wanna get dragon fruit. Let's get this. Let's get some more stuff. Vegetables. Say I want a daikon radish. Let's say I want some cauliflower. Add to cart. And now we have our cart right here. We'll select what day we want. That day is fine. We can change the quantities here. It's gonna recommend things that you might like. You can see things that I've bought before here. And then we'll click checkout. Continue. I basically have my delivery info right here. I have instructions on how they can get up to the apartment. I have the payment method here as well. I can review the order. I can set the delivery tip. And as you guys can see, is free delivery. It says $0 delivery fee on orders over $35. And then once I'm good to go, I will click place order. It's gonna get delivered to my door in I think 1, 2, or 3 days. So today is Thursday, December 21st. And as you guys can see, I can select the delivery for tomorrow, for Saturday, or even for next week. So you can definitely order well in advance, but it's really up to you guys. Now the cool thing about Weee is that they don't make mistakes. So when you use most grocery delivery services, it's someone that's actually going to the grocery store and picking out the stuff. And as a result, a lot of mistakes happen, right? This happens a lot with Instacart when I use that for Costco delivery. They might not have something that doesn't reflect on their website. They might order the wrong thing. They might make the wrong substitution, bunch of stuff. With Weee, they actually get shipped from a warehouse. So it's not actually coming from a grocery store. And I think that's one reason why they're able to keep prices really low. And the packaging is actually in boxes. So if they're shipping frozen goods or meats or things that require refrigeration, then it does come with a bunch of dry ice and ice packs. But everything comes in like shipping boxes. So it's not coming in like grocery bag or anything like that. These are actual boxes with things packed. And I do like that when you buy things that are a little bit more fragile, like bottles and stuff like that, soy sauce, oils, or whatever else, they actually pack those really well. They wrap it, and so it's protected. Again, if you guys want to use my link down below, you'll get $20 of free credits to spend at Weee. I highly recommend it, especially if you're missing out on, getting Asian groceries if you live somewhere where it's a little bit tougher. I know that Wee's not available everywhere, but I think in a lot of the big cities, it will be available. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.